My name's Andy Meyer. I'm a base crew foreman. I started at J&W about 9 years ago. I started on the infrared crew and worked my way up through the paving crew as a truck driver, screw operator, and eventually got to my base foreman position. I like J&W because they're family oriented. The hours ain't too crazy like most companies. For the most part, you don't work 6 days a week, and it gives me that time to spend with my wife and my kid and get out and enjoy myself. I like having the role as being versatile in the company. I've worked in many different divisions other than seal coat is the only part of this company I haven't worked in, and I enjoy it because it's a change of pace. You know, if I can go paving, and it helps some guys out too. You know, if somebody needs training done, I've been a part of it and I can point them in the right direction, and it just keeps me moving. Nothing's the same every day. On my time off from work, I enjoy fishing and hunting and racing, spending time with my family, my wife and my daughter, and just connecting with them outside of work. They're outdoorsy too, and they love fishing and hunting just as much as I do, and it's a good way to relax. I like working outdoors, I like playing outdoors, and it doesn't get any better than that. You know what? It's not fun when it's raining or cold or late fall paving. You know, it could be snowing on you, but I wouldn't trade it for anything. You can't beat the fresh air. Better than working in a cubicle for sure. I enjoy it, especially my role now on the base side. I've wanted to do that for years. Pretty much when I started with the company, that's what I wanted to work my way to, and thanks to Ron helping me get the position, I mean, my dream came true for my job. During the summer months, you spend long days with your crew, and fortunately, I've always had a crew that worked hard and had a great sense of humor. That's what gets us through the day. If you got a great sense of humor, we're gonna get along just fine. You get to know people on a more personal level. You know, at the end of the day, it makes you feel good that one of your crew, you know, asks you to, hey, you want to hang out after work, or you can sit around and just shoot the breeze and stuff like that. It kind of makes me feel like I'm a good guy.